How to request money on PayPal. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can request money on PayPal app. Now as you know, on PayPal app you can send money to your friends and you can request money from your friends. So today I'll guide you on how you can do it. First, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your app. Make sure you update your app to the latest version. Here you can see I haven't updated it. However, I'll go through with the video. Once you open the app up, you'll get an interface like this. Now due to certain errors here, I'm getting the errors and I have limited access to certain features, but I'll show you how you can do it. Here you can see get started with PayPal, and under it you can see pay someone, send money, and if you swipe to the right you can see I'll get the option to request money. Simply tap on request money option here and you'll be able to go through certain procedures where you'll be able to type in the amount that you want to request and then select the friend that you want to request the money from and then simply send it. However, here due to the limited access to my account, I'll be able to show it up right here, but that's the process. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.